Hello students and welcome to this video of ONS. In this video we are going to study the SONET. So what is a SONET? SONET is synchronous optical networking and synchronous digital hierarchy SDH are standardized protocols that transfer multiple digital bit streams synchronously over optical fiber using lasers or highly coherent light from light emitting diodes. So what is SONET basically? SONET is a synchronous optical network which will send the data synchronously, means at precise timing on an optical network using lasers. At low transmission rates, data can also be transferred via an electrical interface. The method was developed to replace the uh, Plessy-Cronus digital hierarchy system for transporting large amounts of telephone calls and data traffic over the same fiber without synchronization problems. So SONET was originally designed for uh, the public telephone network. Independently developed in USA and Europe, it was called SONET and SDH, synchronous digital hierarchy. Synchronous network using synchronous TDM multiplexing. So it uses time division multiplexing. All clocks in the system are locked to a master clock. It contains the standards for fiber optic equipments. A bit way implementation providing end-to-end transport of bit stream. Multiplexing done by byte interleaving. And SONET commonly transmits data at speeds between 155 megabits per second, that is Mbps, and 2.5 gigabits per second, that is Gbps. One of the SONET's most interesting characteristics is its support for ring topology. These are the SONET layers. The network layers are there. Physical layer is photonic layer. That means the fiber optic links which we have are the photonic layers, which is physical. And in data link layer there are three layers: path layer, line layer and section layer. So SONET defines four layers: path, line, section and photonic. Path layer is responsible for the movement of a signal from its optical source to optical destination. Then line layer is for the movement of signal across the physical line. Section layer is for the movement of a signal across a physical section, handling, framing, scrambling and error control. And the photonic layer corresponds to the physical layer of OSI model. This is the SONET architecture. Architecture of SONET system. We have signals, devices and connections. Signals. SONET defines hierarchy of electrical signaling levels called STSs. STS means synchronous transport signals. Then we have STMs. Optical signals are called OCs, that is optical carriers. Then devices: STS multiplexer, demultiplexer, regenerator, add drop multiplexer, that is ADM, and terminals. And connections means SONET devices are connected using sections, lines and paths. So in the diagram we have shown at which layer all these devices are working. Then we have SONET frames, means the data is sent in form of these frames. Each synchronous transfer signal STSN is composed of 8000 frames. And each frame is two-dimensional matrix of bytes with 9 rows by 90 into n columns. A SONET STS-N signal is transmitted at 8000 frames per second. Each byte in a SONET frame can carry a digitized voice channel. In SONET, the data rate of an STS-N signal is n times the data rate of STS-1 signal. So the first byte will be started from leftmost corner, left to right and top to bottom bytes will be there, and last byte will be at the rightmost bottom corner, and 8000 frames per second are sent. In SONET, the duration of any frame is 125 microsecond. SONET networks are divided into three types of networks: linear networks, in which there are again two types, point to point and multi-point. Then ring networks, in which again two types are UPSR and BLSR. And the third type of network is mesh network. See the point to point network, we have sender, then multiplexer, then RR and STS demultiplexer and receiver. RR is repeaters. Then multi-point network, we have transmitter, multiplexer, repeater. ADM means add drop multiplexer. You may add the signal, you may drop the signal. Then again repeater, STS demultiplexer and transmitter. Transmitter 2 is there, transmitter 3 is there. And in ring network, all the senders and receivers are connected in a closed path ring. Unidirectional path switching ring, UPSR. And there is one more type, bidirectional line switching ring, where the direction can be from both the sides. In mesh network, all the senders receivers are connected by a mesh, and we have cross connected switch for using the cross connection switches are used for the mesh network. So what are the advantages of using SONET? It reduces network complexity, it is flexible in topologies, we have high data rates, then efficient management of bandwidth, and we have protection bandwidth. What are the disadvantages? Strict synchronization schemes are required and complex and costly equipment as compared to cheaper Ethernet. So in next video, we are going to complete the Ethernet, and this current unit will be finished in the next video, and then we can start with the satellite communication part. So we will stop here. Thank you for watching.